About what?
About liability and assets and debit and credit and whatever.
Sex is not something. If you want to do it once, you can do it. But main thing is you should not indulge it. Like it is your hobby, it is good. But you know, you should not be 24 hours thinking about sex. You have been given a precious life. Make it valuable for not.
Can I ask say something?
Yes.
12 months of every year. Do you ever take a vacation of 7 days or 10 days or 5 days? Any vacation?
Yes, I do.
What do you do in those 7 days? Something which you
9
really,
miles.
See.
something that you love to do, right?
Yes, exactly.
Something that you love to do. Maybe go out if you love the hill station. Maybe you love your parents. You go to.
I love making people around me making their dreams come true.
Right. That's very good. See.
If I have sister, I have brother.
मेरा सपना कहाँ पूरा किया?
I don't feel happy if my own birthday is celebrated on thousands. But I would feel if I make my little sister smile, if I can spend.
Very good. But during that time, do you lead your normal office life in vacation? No. In vacation, you are somebody different who is away from his work and is enjoying what he enjoys the most, what makes him happy the most.
Yes.
Right? Same here. This is vacation. 10 days of vacation.
I'm not telling you guys that I am wrong. I am living in my own philosophy.
You are not wrong, but he is wrong.
No. He never said that. Don't put words in his mouth.
I just said that my happiness is into that every person around me should recognize me that he is something. If we are in pain, he is going to stand by us.
Right.
So
what has that got to do with sex in your life? Just because you will have sex with women does not make you a bad person, does it? Do you think it makes you a bad person?
No.
Then?
I can have it anytime, but I am just concentrating on those things which are still hard to achieve.
Good.
Hard to achieve.
See, I'll tell you what.
Get girls.
Basically, what he's trying to say, at the end of the day, बात वहीं आ जाती है कि he does not want to indulge in it not because of it being immoral or whatever, but he cannot look into the eyes of his girlfriend because she will ask him and she won't like it.
You see, I have one simple line. If you would expect your girlfriend to be true for you, that does not give you right, right, as you are a male, that you will still be,
the way you
like
other men are.
Say, men always take birth as a bachelor and die as a bachelor.
You know what?
If you expect your girlfriend to be true for you, you have no.
The good thing about
somebody, no offense, but sometimes you guys cry, or your kind of guys cry that somebody has dished you. What
you cry? You cry about?
Think that somebody would
who cries?
Anybody, I have seen people. They have already had sex with 100 girls, and now they say my girlfriend had dished me. Why?
That's not fair.
Woman, she does not have a right to have sex with someone.
वो गाना सुना आपने वो गोविंदा?
He's not being specific, not about me. He's talking about a general statement.
Yeah, but then that's not right. That is not right.
What do you mean by that?
That is not right. If you fuck up,
if you want the unconditional love,
you have to give unconditional love first. That is right.
You must have to give the unconditional.
लड़कियाँ बहुत hang होती हैं.
That's true.
Some beings which are always floating in front of my eyes, which are still to go on, and they need to come true, and thousands of lives, depend on it. So
what has that got to do with? Tell me, if you have sex, would those dreams not come true?
This is a beer. This is a very beautiful, very expensive.
Yeah, I know.
But
I like
this
it.
bottle is living for itself, and this is of no use for you.
This
Then
is
this is
a can.
Whatever.
This is a can. This is useless. This is useless. So if I am too beautiful, too rich, and everything,
that is not what I'm asking. What I'm asking is that if you are having sex, are you not living for anybody else?
I can live for anybody else, but
while having sex, is it possible or not?
Yes, it is possible.
Then
Osho gave such
speeches or thoughts or ideas.
Thought process that sex is, you do it too much, that
you get bored of it.
You get bored of it.
I don't think that's a very good approach.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
That should be for people who is always thinking about it.
Yeah, right. And even if someone is thinking about it, why get bored of it?
Just tell me, in old times, like if you talk about our parents' generation, who is the person who did not get a chance to have sex in their lives?
Everybody did.
Everybody did.
Yeah.
So why to run behind it?
Who's running behind it?
mean thinking 24 hours, this girl, that girl, this girl, that girl. These are the group in which we need to choose our wife from. And then we will
from
cry.
the market.
Then we will cry. You know, when you grow old, you
want to choose your wife from the market.
Mm.
It was really sad. I mean, what can I do? There's no way. I mean, very pretty.
Do you guys think this is a kind of stereotype?
What? The women?
The person is, said to be advanced if he had sex and,
No, not that. If you do not do it, you should have a good reason for not doing it. Not some kind of a phobia. That ये होने से ये हो जाएगा.
Kind of phobia. I can get in any time.
Or maybe
I have no lack of opportunities. If you talk about the virginity is, a kind of opportunity. Well, just tell me one thing. What happened to you when you find on your wedding night that your girlfriend is not?
How will you figure out?
Huh?
How will you figure out?
I don't
fucking
know.
her.
Yeah, tell me.
That is something you guys need to tell me.
No, you tell me.
He will
How
tell you.
Figure out?
Haru, please go ahead.
No. How will
How?
you figure out? Let's figure out. How is he going to figure out that the girl is not a virgin? Tell me.
I don't know. I mean, you can ask somebody who does know it. They will tell you at the time of your marriage.
Well, in my opinion, either 90% of chances are that she would have no idea, not exactly no idea, but then 90% chances are she should be a virgin, as in she should be.
Do you find virgin girls these days?
I found one last year in October.
I don't know. I have found
Last
one.
year.
In October, I found one.
I have, you can find one and you are happy with it. And the simplest slogan is, please, 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 please.
Yeah, listen to
A simple slogan is,
listen to him.
If you are a dog, you will always get a bitch.
On this note,
I'm a
I end
dog.
this recording.
Find me a bitch. I'm a dog. Find me a bitch.
You always
Say woof woof.
Woof woof.